This is the Bank Nifty daily charts. You can barely see today's candle, but it was a flat doji type candle that was formed today. Let me get you to the 15-minute chart to see how our day progressed. So before I start, what we've been doing this week was trying to take directional selling strategies to try and see if we can add 0.2, 3, 4, 5% to our overall strategy. So that's kind of what we've been doing. Overall, I have to say that the week was fairly decent when it comes to only Bank Nifty. I think the mistake that I made yesterday of trading the FNO stock and unable to kind of control my emotions got the better of me in terms of the financial numbers that we hit for the day, for the week. But if I look at only Bank Nifty, which is sort of an index that I'm familiar with kind of how the volatility and volume works. Um, because of that experience, kind of just the Bank Nifty aspect was beneficial. So if I stick to only Bank Nifty, I think this strategy may end up being profitable for us. Now, coming to today, what I had ended up doing was I was thinking that anytime the Nifty or Bank Nifty closes or starts trading below yesterday's low, it may come down all the way to this 37,000 mark. So at this level in the 5-minute chart, if you see, like that's a level which I actually shorted. It didn't work. Stop loss was hit, and at this candle here, I could see an opportunity for a reversal kicking in. So I took that as well. So one trade worked, one trade didn't work. Then I think I did another trade around 10:20, 10:30 or so, which was profitable. Um, and eventually, what I realized was after this initial first hour of trading, that the Bank Nifty was trading in this kind of box pattern. There was this kind of box that was getting traded in. So I was thinking that until it doesn't do anything in and around this box, the market may start becoming flat. There was a trend line also that I had drawn that was from the high in a 5-minute chart, and this was where it was sort of touching and coming back. So around this level, around 10, 12, 20 or so, I eventually ended up selling a straddle, thinking that the market will go down and come up and essentially stay in this range. That ended up being profitable, and I think I sold the premiums around 270 or so and covered them up at around 130 or so. So we got considerable sort of decay over there. I didn't want to sit till the last few hours of trading. I think by about 2:30 or so, I was kind of done with the day and starting to analyze my prep for today as trading. So for today, I'm making the video in the morning. Therefore, my plan for the 26th is couple of things. Again, a low of yesterday is going to be critical around this 37,100 level. Um, 37,000 is a support. That's a level that I'm going to be keeping an eye on. Um, and on the top side, 37,800 seem to be the basis of everything. If you're looking at SGX index right now in the morning, it's trading very low. So I think the market may come down in the first half of today. Let me see what happens around here. The biggest support that we've got recently is the 36,600. So the first few minutes, maybe 30, 40 minutes, I'm going to wait and watch to what happens to everything. If the market comes down, if it's taking some support, or if it starts breaking all of this, wait for a small reversal to kick in, then start building positions for the month of December so we can build positions and end our weeks in profit.